What's up, Porcelain people? It's Erin with Hardscape.com here in lovely Naples, Florida at a beautiful 24x24 Shellstone porcelain paver pool deck, brought to you today by Gulfstream Pavers, one of our certified installers. Let's take a closer look at this project and see what Kate and his crew did to make this possible. Let's take a closer look at this 24x24 Shellstone porcelain pool deck, brought to you by Gulfstream Pavers. Kate and his crew did a great job of ensuring that water is flowing away from the base of the home and off of the pool deck, installing the deco drain there and ensuring that our grades are correct. This homeowner is specifically very pleased with the fact that the porcelain pavers have been cleaner, easier to maintain keeping clean, and more slip resistant than other products she had used in the past. If you're interested in learning more, give me a call, 239-306-0854, hashtag Gulfstream Pavers, hashtag Hardscape. Until next time, guys, peace, love, and porcelain.